In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Galaxy Fit 3 to A55 Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your Galaxy Fit 3 alongside an A55 from Samsung. Keep in mind that the steps that I'm going to cover in this video are also going to work for any other model of Galaxy Watch that you have and also any other model of Android phone. So even if you don't have a Samsung phone, you will still be able to connect your watch to it. To do this, you have to use the Galaxy Wearable app. You can find it available on the Google Play Store. So before starting, download the Galaxy Wearable app. In here, you will be able to set up your watches, your earbuds, or any other device from Samsung. So open the app, you can read through these features here if you want, or just tap the start option. Now, it might ask for permission to seek nearby devices. Make sure that you grant it the necessary permissions to find your Fit 3 wirelessly, and it is going to appear under the list of devices. Make sure that it is powered on and sufficiently charged. As long as you power it on once, you will see some form of instructions on the screen, and it should be automatically detected by the Galaxy Wearable app. If it isn't detected, follow the instructions listed here to get it to work. Then when you choose the Fit 3 from the list, it is going to confirm that you want to pair it with your phone by displaying some numbers on screen. Make sure that they match, and if they do, confirm. Then proceed, and it should automatically finish the setup for you. You might have to sign in with a Google account or a Samsung account, and if that's the case, just input your credentials, like an email and password. And after that is done, you are good to go. You will now be able to manage the Fit 3 watch inside of the app. You will see its battery levels here. You will see the watch faces that you have, the apps, tiles, quick panel, and you can customize various different features and applications. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Fit 3 to A55 Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.